Kannauj, situated on the banks of the sacred river Ganges, is the forgotten land of perfumes. The once capital city of Emperor Harshvardhan, home to India's own brand of natural oil perfumes derived from botanical sources. More than 250 industries of Itr thrive here.
स्टीम डिस्टिलेशन में बॉयलर में पहले स्टीम बनाते हैं और वो स्टीम जो है प्रेशर सर्टन अनसर्टन प्रेशर वो जाती है स्टिल्स में जिन्हें हम डेग कहते हैं, उसमें भी डेग होती है लेकिन उसमें वो स्टीम भेजी जाती है अंडर सर्टन प्रेशर और वो स्टीम जब बाहर निकलती है तो वो ऑयल कंटेंट्स को अपने साथ वाटर वेपर्स लेके निकलती है और वो फिर वो कंडेंस होती है कंडेंस।
S. Muhammad Yaqub tells us the story of how it all began with Noor Jahan, the Mughal queen. She once had her bathtub filled with rose petals and noticed a sweet fragrance emanating from it. That was the first Itr.
कोई चाहिए अरब में तो दैनरूद अगर जिसको वो पसंद करते हैं लेडीज जेंट्स हमारे देश से लाखों करोड़ों ज़्यादा है। अगर आपने उनको अगर लगा दिया बड़े खुश हो जाएंगे, उठेंगे और चूमेंगे चाटेंगे ओ जैन तो ये मतलब ये अरबिक लफ्ज़ है, बहुत अच्छा वेरी फाइन। ये मतलब
सर अभी भी जैसे इतनी ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई है तो स्टिल आप लोग पुराना ही प्रोसेसेस।
मैंने आपको एक बात बताई ना कि हमें इसकी डेलिकेसी मेंटेन रखनी होती है, इसीलिए हम दूसरी प्रोसेस नहीं, इसमें खाली एक चेंज हो सकता है कि इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस वुड, इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस काउ डंग वी कैन यूज इलेक्ट्रिक फर्नेस। That is the only change which is possible.
That's right.
But electricity is not available in abundance.
Have you ever eaten, drink, milk being made ready, eaten in another pot? Yeah. If to talk about to get a milk ready or warm that milk in microwave oven, either me or you can speak for half an hour. Clean, safe, consistent in quality, energy saving, cost saving, time saving. I can give a very nice PowerPoint presentation, or even you can give, anyone of can give for half an hour.
Yeah.
Do any microwave oven in any part of the world can give you the test what you give it when milk is being heated in another pot. Though very primitive.
Yeah.
My answer to Kannauj University is that.
The Fragrance and Flavor Development Center, FFDC, set up in 1991, is an initiative by the Government of India to serve, sustain and upgrade the status of farmers and industries engaged in the aromatic cultivation and its processing.
Terracotta apparatus, which is similar to the Carnot distillation unit, was found during the Indus Valley civilization. This was all reported by Dr. Paolo Robusti. No point talking about Nurja and Harshvardhan and all.
A large number of references to cosmetics and perfumes in Sanskrit literature were found in Bhrat Samhita, a 6th century Sanskrit encyclopedia. The earliest distillation of Itra was mentioned in the Ayurvedic text Charaka Samhita.
On the first page of Google we are there is nobody else other than us who is right from cultivation up to development of fragrance and flavor under one roof worldwide. And the size of this fragrance and flavor industry worldwide is $25,000 billion. And India does have something around 10% of this share. For fragrance and flavor, for naturals, India position is much better. Normally the flow of knowledge is from a big metros to small city. Here we are making it other way around. And I tell you, when the meeting helps, when we call people to attend this meeting, in most of the meeting, which is being called by FFDC at FFDC cost, we don't get people more than 10%. Out of this whole lot of 350, they don't have time for that. If you don't have a time for your own problems, where government taking a step, who will come? Should I make money, earn money, sell atar somewhere in Europe and come back and give it to you at your doorstep? So these are smaller issues, but the bigger issue is that कि इसके नए use ढूंढने चाहिए.
There is a legend on how the first Itrs were made in Kannauj. During the winters, the forest-dwelling fakirs and sadhus used certain perfumed jungle herbs and roots in their bonfires. The shepherds who grazed their sheep in that region found the perfume lingering in the burnt wood long after the sadhus left the place. The unique, captivating aroma of Itra lingers on and continues to charm generations.